Hi everyone, my name is Anna. I got my bachelor's in human service from ODU. I work in a nonprofit organization for over 4 or 5 years, and they gave me an opportunity to pursue the certificate, and I'm going to do my best. Reason why I'm interested in taking this course is to do a better grade and to have a better understanding on just terms. What do I want to get out of ABA, or what do I want to know about ABA is, I know this evidence-based. How do you communicate that in a diverse community? For instance, when you had to deal with a community that's been talked down or belittled a lot, how would you gain their trust as well as inform them? Another thing is, I like how it's, like I said, evidence-based, and it shows results from a certain behavior, how do you also to increase or decrease that behavior. I'm interested in learning a little bit more in detail of that. One thing about me is that I'm an artist. So here's a little drawing. So, and also I read the syllabus and understood the syllabus. And thank you for listening. I do apologize for my bird chirping back and my voice not being as normal as I'm recovering from a cold. But thank you for listening.